Good evening, everyone. It's been a while, but I have been extremely busy between work and the holiday season, and then just getting some stuff organized that I'm going to tell you guys about later. I've been meaning to post, and I've even filmed a couple things, but just not enough to post. It was just never anything that I felt was any good, so I didn't end up posting any of it. But tonight we're actually going to a meetup put on by Street Defiance. It's their first meetup in the area, and so I'm going to go check it out. And I think it should be a lot of fun. And it's in the middle of Raleigh, North Carolina. Taking the Mustang out here. I still haven't picked a good name for the Mustang. So, definitely suggest one if you guys like it. And hopefully we'll be able to meet some new people and, see a new group, see what it's all about. And let's enjoy the ride. So we might be getting kicked out of here. Another group went through and was tearing it up, and security has come through and told us that we need to leave. We're trying to negotiate with them, tell them that it wasn't us causing the racket. Sounds like that won't help, but we'll see. More people are showing up, but we might have to leave.
That we have the permit to be up here from his boss, which is Matthew, and Miss Carrie, which is Matthew's assistant. But he was like, oh, well, we can't still have you guys up here. After showing him everything. So, it was a good turnout, and I wanted to at least still have it at the parking lot, like literally right there. You actually got to go out this way, and then go around the block. And then that one parking lot that's free right now. And I mean, I can leave it if you guys want me to, but hey, I really like this turnout. This turnout was great. But one thing I don't understand is when you get permission from so many different outsources, and the police been up here like y'all seen, and I'm pretty sure they asked everybody how they doing.
Yep.
After he called the police station, the sheriff, the state trooper station, and also the state capitol police. He seems like it's still an issue, even after me telling him that, hey, we're not even with that group. So we're gonna go.
So this is a no offense or but we have to go.
I mean, unless you guys want to negotiate with him. Is there a negotiation if we keep the noise down? But I had already told you that we had one.
I have to see it. You have to confirm it. And the city of
But I had called, I told you, hey, I have your boss's number and their assistant's number.
What if you, could you get the person? Could you get that person on the phone so he can hear you? He has verification.
I was going to say that probably.
You know what I'm saying?
Thank you.
Status update. As expected, we got kicked out because of a completely different group that came out and was causing havoc at our car show. So right now we're headed over to another parking lot to have a different car show. This one should be free, and reports are it should be fine for us to be there. So we're all caravanning over there like 50-60 cars. It's going to be interesting. And off to the new location. So after some trial and error, we have finally come to the new location. We're going to talk to the guy who organized everything and figure out why we got kicked out exactly. We know that there was that one group there, but I don't know if there was more behind it, because we did have a permit, so I don't know how we got so easily kicked out. But I'll probably be at this new location for a little bit and then probably head out. It's a little bit farther from home than I'd really wanted to be, but we'll see all the cars that are here. Starting to wrap up for tonight. It has been a pretty good meet so far. Got quite a few people here, but guys are starting to rev their engines and get super loud, and so probably going to split out of here pretty soon. But I will talk to you guys in the car. So we are headed home right now. I don't know how much of that video you guys were able to hear. I'll listen, when I get back home and when I start editing this. But it was a really fun meet. This was their first time meeting up, and overall, I'd say it was pretty good. It sucked that we got kicked out of our first location because of some other people, but I was really proud of the guy running the event, being the bigger man and not, trying to cause any trouble with the local security there. And they're saying they want to do these events again in the future, which I had a lot of fun. They seem to be a pretty fun crew. But I guess we'll just have to see. You know, I plan on linking them in this, and hopefully a lot of people get to see it. And that, you know, I've got another event I'm going to next week, Cars and Coffee in Morrisville. If you guys can make it, look up their Facebook page, Cars and Coffee Morrisville. They've got an event Saturday morning on the 22nd of December. If anyone is interested in going, I'll be there. I'll be filming the whole thing. I think it'll be a lot of fun. I always love the Cars and Coffee events. They're very, very family friendly. But that's going to be it for tonight. Don't forget to drop a like on this video. Comment if there's anything you want to see from this channel in the future. And definitely make sure to hit that subscribe button so that you guys don't miss any of my videos in the future. And I will see you next time.